Hey, welcome to Road to Forever. It's Terry. I'm back with more Daniel Fast recipes for 2021. I'm sure you could tell that, right? Because the title of the video said the Daniel Fast recipes for 2021. And as you know, I just wanted to give you some fresh, new, delicious recipes as you're Daniel fasting. And so this first recipe is really delicious, really simple. I've shown you an iteration of this recipe before in my Daniel Fast desserts video. And if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. I'm sure you'd love those recipes. And then also, one of the things I'm using in this particular recipe is almond milk. And in my Daniel Fast guide, which is linked in the description box down below with recipes and tips for how to have a successful Daniel fast, I teach you how to make almond milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, and a whole bunch of other things. So make sure you check that out. So for this particular recipe, you're going to need one frozen banana. You're going to need some walnuts. Now, if you're allergic to walnuts or, any nuts, just omit it, obviously. So, but if you don't like walnuts, you can use, almonds, you can use pistachios, you can use cashews. It's really up to you. But I'm using walnuts. I have a bunch of walnuts and I definitely want to get rid of them. So these are things that I'm going to be using for recipes coming up. Like I said, I have 4 ounces of almond milk, and then you're going to need a food processor. So this first recipe will take you literally like 3 minutes to make. So 1 frozen banana, 1/4 cup of almond milk. If you want, you could also use coconut milk or water, but I think it tastes really good with the almond milk. And then you'll need 2 tablespoons of almonds, and you're going to just add that all to the food processor. Now, if you want to add any extra flavor, you could add a medjool date to this, but I'm not, because I think all of these flavors are great as is. And then if you want to add toppings, you can obviously use like fresh mango, fresh banana, fresh berries. It's really up to you. So let me put all of this in the food processor and show you what happens next. So everything is in my food processor. I have a really simple food processor. It's a KitchenAid. It has chop and puree as a function. Got this. You could get it at Walmart. You could get it at Target. You could get it at Amazon. I'll link the one I'm using down below. Really cheap, but it's so handy. And all you're going to do is just press down and you're going to let this chop on high for like 30 seconds. Now that your timer is up, you're just going to take your cover off. And guys, look at this. This is some delicious goodness. I'm going to grab my spoon so that I can show you the consistency of this particular little treat we have here. So again, you could use this as a Daniel Fast snack or a Daniel Fast dessert. So let me just show you. So this is the consistency. This, guys, right here. It's like a little ice cream almost, right? This is so delicious. So let me know in the comments down below if you try this and how delicious you think this is. And if you're excited to see the next recipe, hit that thumbs up button so that I know you're enjoying these videos and I can know to keep making more Daniel Fast videos. But I'm telling you, this right here, guys, no joke, is so good. So let me know what you think in the comments after trying this delicious Daniel Fast recipe. All right, guys, this next Daniel Fast recipe is one directly from Trader Joe's. So this is so simple. If you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, all you need to do is to get some fresh broccoli and carrots and then just shred those up yourself if you want to make this recipe. But this is literally so simple. All you need is this broccoli slaw, and you can see that on the Trader Joe's packaging, it tells you exactly what you're going to need. So I'm not going to use all of this, obviously. I'm just making a simple salad for myself. So I'm just going to use about a half of this bag of broccoli slaw. I have a Honeycrisp apple right here, which I'll chop up. Then I have some dried cranberries. If you're going to pick up dried cranberries, make sure you're reading the label so that there's no added sugar and that the only thing in the package is dried cranberries. So if you see cane syrup or any other type of name for sugar, which I've listed in my Daniel Fast guide, then make sure that you don't pick that item up. And then I also have some walnuts, which you saw me just use, so I'm going to add that in here as well. If you want, you could also use slivered almonds in place of the chopped walnuts, but again, that's just up to you. And then it says 1 cup of your favorite dressing. And so what I'm going to use for my dressing is that avocado dressing, which I made before, and I'll make sure to link the video to the avocado dressing that I made so you could use that, or you could use the mango salad dressing, which I've made in the past. So it's really up to you. I'll make sure I link those videos in the comments down in the description box down below so that you can check them out after this video is over if you want to make this salad. But this one, super easy, and you can see all you need are a couple ingredients. So again, this is a way to make a quick, easy, and delicious Daniel Fast recipe. So just wanted to show you this one quickly before I make my next recipe. All right, guys, for this next Daniel Fast recipe idea, what I have are these mini peppers. So I just have this really big bag of these sweet mini peppers, and I love these. They make your life so easy. And so I have 2 of them. I just washed them, took the seeds out, cut them in half lengthwise. And then I have some plain hummus here. And there are lots of different brands of hummus that is Daniel Fast friendly, or you can make your own hummus at home. I showed you before how I made my black bean hummus. I'll also make sure to link that video in the description box for you. So all you have to do is just take your peppers and then just spread hummus on top and enjoy it like that. Or what I like to do sometimes is I take these peppers, I put a little bit of olive oil in my cast iron skillet, and then I just allow them to char on each side for a little bit. So almost kind of like roasting them to give them a different flavor. And then all I'll do is just add the hummus in the middle and enjoy that as a quick Daniel Fast snack. Let me give you another Daniel Fast recipe idea. So just stick around for that. And again, if you're liking these videos, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. So in case you want to see what it looks like, I just want to quickly show you that this right here is my little snack, and I'm just going to enjoy this just like this. So again, if you're on the go or you're in a pinch, this is a great quick recipe. Again, this is if you're just eating the peppers without, obviously roasting them, and this tastes just as great. So this is really awesome. And if you like, like spicy, one of the things you could do is sprinkle on some red pepper flakes, and this will take it to another level. So hope you're enjoying these tips. All right, let me show you the next Daniel Fast recipe idea that I mentioned. All right, guys, here's another Daniel Fast recipe idea, and this one is another really quick, easy, simple, delicious recipe that you can use for a Daniel Fast snack. So as you'll see here, I have this organic avocado mash, and if you look at the ingredients, it's really 100% Daniel Fast friendly. So you can see here has the organic Hass avocados, the organic lemon juice, sea salt, organic black pepper. So if you aren't able to find anything like this in store, you can just buy avocado, and then all you have to do is just obviously, take the seed out, take out the avocado itself, and then mash it up, and you can use that. I also have some Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning. So this is something I use from time to time. And so if you look at the ingredients, it's just sesame seeds, sea salt. You can see also it has dried minced garlic, dried minced onions, black sesame seeds, and poppy seeds. So Daniel Fast friendly. And then I have these brown rice cakes, and let me show you. Again, these are all Daniel Fast approved items. It just says organic brown rice and sea salt. So this is definitely something you could have on the Daniel Fast. So if you're going to get rice cakes, make sure that you're reading the label very carefully. So all I'm going to do with this recipe is I'm just going to, put my avocado right on the rice cakes and then sprinkle my everything but the bagel season on top. And that's another delicious Daniel Fast idea. Now, if you don't like the everything but the bagel seasoning, you can omit that for sure and just use the avocado. And you can also add some fresh tomatoes to this. You could also add cucumbers, shredded carrots. It's really up to you. I've shown you before where you can make rice cakes with banana. There's so many options. You could put almond butter on your rice cake and then put some fresh berries on top with bananas as well. So you have tons and tons of options when it comes to rice cake if you're looking for something that's quick, easy, simple, and filling. You just have to make sure that you're putting ingredients like, avocados have healthy fat, so they're going to keep you feeling full long. Nut butters like almond butter, cashew butter, peanut butter, also healthy fat, so they'll keep you feeling full long as well. So hope you are excited to try all of these Daniel Fast recipes. If you are, I ask that you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. But before you leave, I want to remind you, you're only one prayer away. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take care.